Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salad with iceberg lettuce using an easy method. First, select a firm, crisp head of iceberg lettuce, ideally weighing around 1.5 pounds. Next, remove any damaged outer leaves and carefully cut out the core. Then, rinse the lettuce thoroughly under cool, running water. Finally, ensure the lettuce is completely dry using a salad spinner or by gently patting it with paper towels. This step is crucial for a crisp salad. Now that your lettuce is clean and dry, it's time to chop it. Cut the iceberg lettuce into bite-sized pieces, aiming for roughly 1-inch squares. Transfer all the chopped lettuce into a large mixing bowl. This is also the perfect moment to add any other fresh ingredients you love, like crisp sliced cucumbers, vibrant cherry tomatoes, or even some shredded carrots for extra color and crunch. With your ingredients combined, it's time for the dressing. Pick your favorite, whether it's a classic creamy ranch, a zesty Italian, or a light vinaigrette. Drizzle about 1/4 cup of dressing over the salad. Remember, you can always add more later if needed. Gently toss the salad using tongs or clean hands, ensuring every piece of lettuce and every ingredient is evenly coated for maximum flavor. Your delicious and easy iceberg lettuce salad is now ready to serve. For the best crispness and flavor, enjoy it immediately. Feel free to customize it further with your favorite toppings, such as crunchy croutons, a sprinkle of shredded cheese, or even some grilled chicken for a heartier meal. This simple method delivers a refreshing side dish in under 10 minutes, perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.